Here's these elevators. I've never filmed in this garage before. It looks like they may have replaced the old ones. This garage from the outside does look kind of old. This actually looks kind of brand new. Look at that. Am I surprised they did this? No, I'm not. It is Phoenix, and over here, everything gets replaced or modded at least. I want to get this smaller elevator. We're going to send this up to 10 and get this smaller elevator. Here's a smaller elevator. Look at how small this one is compared to the other one. This is elevators 3 and 4. That makes me wonder if there's another set in this garage. Oh, we're getting up, going down a one. Here we go. We're gonna get off here. That's it.